In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import content into WordPress. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or simply consolidating your content, importing is a powerful way to bring everything together on your WordPress site. The process might seem a little daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step, making it simple and straightforward. If you're new to WordPress, you'll also find a link in the description to sign up and get started with your own account. Now, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once you're there, look for the login button at the top right of the screen and click on it to access your account. If you prefer, you can also choose the Continue with Google option to log in using your Google account. This method is especially handy if you want to avoid the hassle of remembering another password. If you go with the Google option, select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. This ensures a smoother and more secure login process. Once you've made your selection, click Continue, and WordPress will ask for permission to access your Google account. This is a standard authentication step that keeps the process secure, so go ahead and approve it. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your website. From here, navigate to the My Home section. Once you're in the My Home area, look over to the left-hand menu. Hover your cursor over the Tools option, and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option labeled Import. Click on it to proceed. Now you're on the Import page, which is where the real work begins. Here you'll see a list of platforms that you can import content from. Select the platform that matches the source of your content. For example, if you're migrating from another blogging platform, choose that option. Each platform may have slightly different instructions for importing, so follow the prompts provided by WordPress for your selected platform carefully. Before you start the import process, take a moment to ensure that the content you're about to import is well organized and backed up. This step is crucial as it helps prevent data loss and ensures that everything runs smoothly. Once you've confirmed everything is ready, initiate the import process and wait for it to complete. Keep in mind that the time required will depend on the size of your content. For smaller imports, it may only take a few seconds, but larger files could take a bit longer. Don't worry, WordPress will handle everything in the background. When the import is done, it's important to review the content to make sure everything transferred correctly. Double check for any missing images, formatting issues, or other discrepancies. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, now's the time to make those edits. This is also a great opportunity to customize the imported content so that it fits seamlessly with the design and style of your WordPress site. Once you're happy with the imported content, don't forget to save your changes and publish it. Whether it's a blog post, page, or other media, you want to make sure it's live and visible to your audience. And there you have it. That's how you import content into WordPress. By following this process, you can easily move your work from other platforms and make it part of your WordPress site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.